Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to unbox and take a look at the Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Now that we've unpacked everything, let's see what we got. We got the Shark Vertex Pro Vacuum. We've got the swivel head dual clean power brush with 6 LED lights. We have the crevice tool with brush, the multi-flex wand for cleaning underneath furniture, the anti-allergen dust brush, the pet multi-tool, and a 2-battery charging station. Okay, let's put some of this together and see how it works. All right, so first we've got our Shark vacuum, and our first attachment here is the crevice tool with brush. Snaps in, snaps out. Then we have our anti-allergen dust brush, good for dusting. Snaps in, snaps out. Next, we have our pet multi-tool. Once again, snaps in, snaps out, ready to go. After that, we've got our multi-flex wand. Snaps in, it locks in there tight. And if you need to vacuum underneath some furniture, you just push this button here and you're in business. Next thing, we've got our swivel head brush right there. Snaps in, snaps out. And one more thing, we've got the battery. Got 2 batteries here. Battery just goes right in and we're ready to go. Here is the digital screen that you can see on the top of the vacuum handle. First, we have the on-off switch. When you turn the vacuum on, the first thing you see is the battery strength percentage. Next thing you have on the right-hand side, you see the vacuum speed. When you turn the machine on, it automatically defaults to the medium speed. If you push the icon, you will get the high speed. If you push it again, it goes to low speed. Push again, you go to the medium speed, and then back to the high speed. On the left, you see the height adjustment. It defaults to hardwood floor or light carpeting. When you touch the button, it goes to deep carpet mode. Push the on-off button again, and the vacuum turns off. Now let's see how the vacuum performs on a medium carpet with hair and hamster bedding. Also, let's see how it does on a tile floor with the same hair and hamster bedding on the floor. Not bad, picked it up pretty easy. And the Shark is easy to empty. Just push this button on the side here. Pretty much everything just came right out of there. So now, let's talk about maintenance on the Shark Vertex Pro. On the Shark vacuum, when you open the door to the storage bin, you'll find that you have a screen that is located just before the motor, and then you'll have the lip on the cover of the storage bin. You want to make sure that the cover seal on the storage bin cover is wiped down every so often to get any kind of large dirt or dust that has collected there. Next, you have the screen that is just before the motor. That's another item that should be cleaned every so often, or maybe every time that you empty the storage bin. The next maintenance that you need to perform is on the cleanable filters on the storage bin. To locate them, you push this button here, and that will separate the storage bin from the motor section. At the bottom of the storage bin are 2 filters. After you remove the 2 filters, you want to take a look at the discharge side of the screen that was located in the dirt section of the storage bin. Now make sure nothing is blocking the screen from the discharge side of the screen. The 2 filters can be cleaned with a mild soapy water solution. When you put the filters back in, make sure that the orange tag is visible. Another maintenance tag is to check the flexible wand that connects to the Shark vacuum, especially if you feel that the vacuum is not sucking the dirt up. The flexible part of the wand is actually the smallest diameter of the wand, so there's a possibility that dirt could clog up and collect there. The way to check is to get a flashlight and shine it through the wand to make sure you can see the light. Another important maintenance task required is on the swivel head rotating brushes. To remove the brush that is in the front of the swivel head, just push this blue button and it pops right out. You can clean the front rotary brush in the laundry sink by gently washing it and maybe brushing it with a soft brush, but do not submerge the rotary brush into the water. Also, clean anything in the area where the brush is located. Do not put a wet brush back into the Shark vacuum though. If you look closely, there are some small rotating rollers on each side of the swivel head compartment. Those also need to be checked into and cleaned, maybe with some tweezers or something small enough to pull the dirt out if any gets in there. Next on our list is the small cover plate that covers the back part of the brushes. To access that, you'll need a flathead screwdriver to unloosen the 3 screws located just above the cover plate. Once you loosen the screws, it should pop right out. Now you can inspect the non-removable cleaning brush by rotating it to remove any kind of debris or hair that may be in the area collecting on the brush. Next, you should make sure there's no dirt or debris in the suction port that connects to the flexible wand. You can stick your finger in there or look through the discharge of the port with a flashlight. To put the cover back on, all you need to do is put the cover back in the slots and then tighten the 3 screws with a flathead screwdriver. And then lastly, replace the rotating brush in the front of the swivel head. So all in all, I really like the vacuum cleaner. I like the way it's stored. I like the way it charged. I like that it had 2 batteries. The performance of the little bit of vacuuming I did was good. I actually did more off the camera, and it picks up a lot of dirt. The ratings that I saw online were very good. One of the criticisms online, and I would say I'd have to agree with it a little bit, is it does have belts, but I really couldn't figure out how to get to them very easily, and the same thing online. That's kind of like the word on the street there, that Shark doesn't make these to be repaired in that way. Basic maintenance, fine, but actually repairs that have to be done, a little bit more difficult, but I'd say it's a good buy. I think we'll like it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.